In this video, I'm going to show you a quick way to speed up or slow down your shot in Premiere so that it fits perfectly between two clips.
3, 2, 1.
Here we go!
Hi and welcome back to DIY Film with Merle Becker, the channel where I help you make better videos. As always, stick around to the end of the video for a bonus tip. Alright, so here's your problem. You've got a gap in your sequence that you want to fill with a slow motion shot, but you don't want to slow that shot down more than you have to. 50%? No, let's try 60%. Nope. 90%? Gah. And you don't want to spend forever guessing at exactly how much it needs to be slowed down to fit in that hole perfectly. Well, did you know that Premiere has a tool that takes the guesswork out of this? It does, and it's called the Rate Stretch tool. So let's take a look. I'm in Premiere version 22.1.2, so if yours is older or newer, it might look slightly different. So the Rate Stretch tool can be found in the Ripple Edit tool menu, or by using keyboard shortcut R. Or you can simply open your Tools palette by going to Window and making sure there's a check mark down by Tools. Then hold down your cursor on the Ripple Edit tool here and scroll down to the Rate Stretch tool. To use Rate Stretch, place your cursor at the end of the clip that needs adjusting and drag the end to the new length that you'd like it to be. And voila! It's slowed down to the exact amount needed to fill the gap. No guesswork involved. Easy peasy. And you can even speed up your clips in the same manner. Nice. All right, let's quickly do that tip. If you know that you're going to need to slow something down, do it in the camera rather than in the edit by shooting your clip in a higher frame rate than your sequence. Here's why. When you slow footage down in the edit, it often looks choppy because in order to slow it down, the editing software has to repeat frames to make sure it's displaying 24 frames per second. But if you shoot your footage in a higher frame rate to begin with, say 60 frames per second, then slow it down in the edit, the editing software has more than enough frames to make a buttery smooth slow motion shot. So make your slow-mo shots look more professional by shooting them in a higher frame rate in the camera. Look at you, a slow-mo pro. Alright, as always, if you found any of this helpful, please give the video a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell so you know when the next one is posted. And I will catch you next time.